Here at Niagara Airbus, we know you work hard, so leave all the hassle to us. Let our professional drivers help facilitate your smooth border crossing. Go safe, carefree, and door-to-door. Let our friendly wine guides do all the driving. Enjoy the fine wines and lush countryside of the beautiful Niagara region. Sit back, relax, and let us do the driving for you. Offering daily guided tours of majestic, world-famous Niagara Falls. For a more enjoyable trip, let us do all the work. Niagara Airbus, helping your memories last a lifetime.
Leave the hassle to us, we'll be there waiting for you.